Everybody knows Socrates was sentenced to death and it was executed at the age of 71, and it was 2500 years ago. Later, we got a bit information from the dialogue written by Xenophon and Plato. What we found there is a lot. Socrates did not want to go away. He did not want to avert the death sentence. It was in honor of the law. Justice may be delayed, may be denied. There may be wrong something, but what is important is that you have to abide by the law. Socrates told that law we must respect, we must honor, we must abide by. That was the final decision by Socrates. But